sync.com. There is also one of the other best free cloud storage available. Sync.com provides free storage of about 5 GB. It has become quite easy to backup files with sync.com only when the users have used something better than the sync folder, because exploring the sync.com web panels, which offers incredible features, is productive. The best features of sync.com is the restoring of deleted files, and thereby stops users from regretting mysteriously lost important documents. Get free space features is the most excellent features that sync.com offers. If a users want to get a bit more space for files and photos, what is to be done is tell a friend about Sync, and the number of friends sign up for Sync gets a free gigabytes along with their users who recommends it to others. The Sync Vault is a feature which helps the users to save files and documents in a special storage space known as Vault, which is different from the Sync folder, and all that is required to be done, just select a file and choose the option of copy to Vault, and your important data gets a backup.